Hi, this video is about electron shell arrangements and how they relate to the atomic number of an element. So we're looking at the third period of elements, that's sodium through to argon at the moment, but this idea can apply to other elements too. So first of all, we have the nucleus that contains the protons, the positive part of the element, and how many protons? Well, that's the number given, so sodium 11. It has 11 protons. And to make a balanced atom, it has to have an equal number of electrons. So 11 electrons in sodium also. Now, the arrangement of the electrons is governed by the capacity of each ring. The first ring of electrons can only take 2, the second can only take 8, so 2 and 8, that makes 10. So to make 11, we need one more electron. Don't worry that it's purple, that's just to make it look different for this ring. So one extra electron makes our 11. Magnesium will need 2 electrons. Aluminium 3, that makes 2, 8, and 3 makes 13. And you see it always adds up to that number. 284 for silicon, 285 for phosphorus, 286 for sulfur, 287 for chlorine, and 288, that would be argon, that would be our whole outer shell filled up. And that's when you need to start the next period. I hope that's helpful, and thanks very much for watching.